kind of wanted to just like come clean about like As you can see, we got a new rug for Harbor's room. Yeah. We have this ABC's rug is what Harper calls it in here, and he wanted a bigger one. So we got him a big area rug so that his room looks a little more put together, but we need to get everything off the floor because it's looking a little crazy in here. Okay. There's the woman of the hour. I told Abby it will only take me 3 minutes to get ready. And I set a timer for 3 minutes. 3 minutes and you look beautiful. On the dot. Thanks, babe. I love it. Also, the set is literally so freaking cute. I have it in a green, I have it in a dark brown, and I have it in this like cream color. And I'm literally obsessed. It's the most comfy thing ever. I'm going to link it if it's still in stock on my story on Instagram because it keeps going out of stock and then I keep having to refind it. But I'll link it on my Instagram if you guys want to find it. Okay, got everything nice and clean in here. We got my wife nice and fed in here. This is what it looks like before. I'm just gonna say this. We regret this carpet. It looks so ridiculous. Home Depot's literally harassing us. But anyway, besides the point, we're talking about a rug. This is the before. Ooh, and this is the after. After! Woohoo! Go, baby. Oh, you can see everything right there. I just can't see through. Open your eyes! Is it so soft? This, okay, I have the same texture type of rug from Rifle Paper Co. in our bedroom, and this is like 100% the exact same thing for like half the price. Yeah. It's so nice. Listen up, y'all, because this is it. I don't want you guys to feel like you were like blindsided, so we kind of wanted to just like come clean about like what our journey was up until Abby's mom dying. Yeah. And what our plan was and all of that stuff so that any like things that don't make sense hopefully will make sense. We had kind of talked about how we were setting things in motion already a little bit before. There were so many things behind the scene that we decided to do off camera because we realized that so much of our fertility journey just felt like there was a camera shoved into it the whole time, and it just made it so much more stressful. And we did decide that the next cycle, which would have been like a week after my mom died, we were going to try again conceiving a baby the way that we conceived Harbor. Exactly, and obviously the same way, that just did not work out, but we still wanted to share with you guys, like, if you guys are wondering or if you're going through the same thing, how you can conceive the way that we conceived Harbor. So we just wanted to jump on here and clear the air that that's why we were kind of weird about it, because we did kind of keep a little bit of a secret, but also we do have private lives. Right. So I know that we've said like we're not ready for another baby right now, but we do see like possibly in the future, and we don't know when that is, having another baby, and we do want to try this for our next baby because this is the way that we conceived our first baby and it feels most comfortable to us. And so we do still plan to do this before we jump into everything. I know in the beginning we said that we had to jump into IVF, but the more that we like took the camera out of it and sat back and like met with our doctors and talked to everybody, the more that we decided we just wanted to try it the way that feels most comfortable to us, at least a round or two. Yeah. This video actually is sponsored by Mosey Baby. Mosey Baby is the most wonderful company. Not like, I'm telling you guys right now, they're just so kind. They're always there to help. Like, they just have so many informational videos. Before we even get into like the sponsored stuff, I do want to say we've had a lot of sponsorships in our career on YouTube, but I don't think that there has been a single sponsorship that the brand has been so kind to us. Especially in this awkward time of our life where we were like, we're doing this, we're having another baby, and they were so excited to work with us. And then obviously my mom passed away. They were just so kind and respectful throughout the whole process, and it's so comforting to have like brands like that and working with brands that understand that life happens. Mosey Baby is an inclusive brand committed to empowering people. They give you the tools that you need to make a family on your own terms. When we conceived Harbor, we used the Mosey kit, and that's what you can use too. The Mosey kit includes Mosey, which is the first patented syringe that's designed for intravaginal insemination, or IVI, just like at-home insemination. Intercourse is not an option for you or isn't working for you for whatever reason, Mosey Baby is there to help. Each Mosey kit has 2 syringes and 2 collection cups. Since 2015, Mosey has helped over 100,000 families inseminate from the comfort of their own home. The Mosey syringe has a very unique tip. It fits perfectly into the collection cup, which makes transfer easy, and it doesn't waste any of the good stuff.
It's made in the USA, and they also have so much support, non-judgmental support. They help any type of family.
They have helpful articles that you can go to too, a whole support system. So us saying that they've been nice to us, it's not just us. If you were to use Mosey Baby, that you would have a great
so much stuff on their socials that can help you. Just there's so many things. If you go look at them up, there's just tons of different things that can help you. If you guys are interested, that's how we got pregnant the first time, and we definitely planned to do this again, which wasn't our original plan, but it just feels much more right to us. I feel like we kind of felt pressured to just like jump right into something that like made us a lot more anxious. Like I feel like we just felt this like feeling in our chest that was just kind of like scary. And like obviously we do want to have another baby, so if that's what we have to do to have another baby down the line, then we'll do that. But anyway, I'm really excited.
I love you. Thank you again to Mosey Baby for sponsoring this video. We're gonna leave everything in the description if you guys want to check them out. Definitely do.
Also, another thing, this is besides the point, but if you guys want a more in-depth video about how I tracked my ovulation and then how I actually used Mosey Baby and everything like that, it's like way more informative on the actual process. We have a video on it. It was when I was like newly pregnant, so I'll link it below. But if you guys are trying to get pregnant and you do want to try this method, I'll leave that below so you guys can try it because it worked for me. Besides babies and making babies, we're gonna go make a baby. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna make white chicken chili, which on a real note though, I feel like the next time we try and have a baby, I don't know, maybe we'll kind of keep it like a little bit to ourselves before we announce. I don't know. Just a little hinty hint.
So you better stay on your toes. White chicken chili. This was Abby's mom's signature dish. When Harper was born, she made us white chicken chili.
Yes, she did.
She brought it over.
And it's so good. Maybe I'll leave the recipe below or something. I'm not sure. But anyway, you need an onion. That's all you need.
It's just a cooked onion.
Disaster. Last time I made this, I squirted onion juice into my eye, and my eyes and my face was burning for like hours after.
God. So Abby was just doing what I usually do, and she was sitting here talking to the camera and not filming. So now you know how it feels. And every time we do this, we don't realize we're doing it until until the camera turns off. Because it turns off if you haven't been like doing anything for a while. Anyways, that's a little bit embarrassing for you. What Abby was saying, I'll reiterate. I'll take one for the team. Okay. Was that we're gonna watch the third Addams Family reunion.
We don't have broth.
There might be some down there.
I've just been looking.
Oh. Then we're gonna have to make some. The Addams Family reunion. Wait, is that right? Addams Family reunion, right? Okay, yeah. Which we've never seen before. We've watched the first Addams Family and Addams Family Values many a times. Well, actually, I think I've only seen them like twice.
I've seen them every year.
You've seen them many times, but it was a while until I watched them for the first time. I never saw it until I met Abby.
Eyes are already burning from the onions. Anyway, what Julia's trying to say is we're gonna make our soup and then we're gonna watch that and hopefully it's good. I don't know, we'll have like a little cozy soup moment. Harper will probably wanna have some soup when he wakes up from his nap and watch a movie because he's been loving fall parties, which is essentially snacks, food, beverages, and a fall movie.
Every day he wakes up and we say, what do you want to do today? He says,
fall party.
And the other day he was FaceTiming my brother and he Jack, Uncle Jack. And I said, what? And he said, happy fall.
He's so freaking cute.
He really likes
He's
fall.
just the cutest boy. So anyway, we're gonna have a fall party when he wakes up. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's video. We're gonna make our soup and relax. Let me know if you want me to make a soup recipe and I can do that in our next video or something. But anyway, make sure to follow us on Instagram because we post there more daily so you can see more of our life, and Snapchat. I've been posting on Snapchat a lot and Julia's just made one. So
yeah, follow us on Snapchat.
Yes. We're like Snapchat girlies now. Anyway, that's pretty much it for today's vlog and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.
I'm a sweet baby.